Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. On this channel, we share my thoughts on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today we are having yet another plug. We're having a customer success agent position. Doesn't require any experience, doesn't require any qualification. So it's basically an entry-level position. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So this is how the website looks like, and the name of the company is Haycasin. So here it says land your dream job. Let's work together. Join Haycasin. Join our team of forward thinkers where we explore ideas, help our clients boost their stores, and actively contribute to the future of e-commerce and Shopify ecosystem. So as you can see, they currently have two open positions. So we're gonna go check them out. So they currently have a front-end developer position and a customer success agent position. So we are going to go ahead and click on customer success agent. So here is the job description. They say as a customer success agent, you will interact with potential and existing customers via email and live chat to provide personalized responses to customer requests. You will also process received payment, set up project for implementation, and handle high priority client write-ins such as refund request, dispute, etc. Your job is to understand their customer needs, create emotional bond between the company and customers, and make customer experience with the company's product and service as smooth and as positive as possible. So for this position, you are going to be working remotely, but you are going to work 40 hours per week with a daily shift of 8 hours from Monday to Friday. So they also say that you may need to clear the inbox on an occasional weekend. It means that maybe one weekend, once in a while, you work on weekend. So here are the skills required. Perfect command of written English, great communication skills, analytical mindset, negotiating skills, ability to effectively work with unhappy customers, solid understanding of customer service principle and practices, solid knowledge of e-commerce functionality. You also need to be familiar with how HTML or S or CSS works. So with regards to HTML or CSS, doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have a qualification or a certificate, but if you do, then it's a plus for you. But what you need to do is to familiarize yourself with them. You can go do your research, you can download different YouTube videos so you have an idea before the interview. So here's personal characteristics. You need to be a team player, you need to be empathetic and an active listener. You need to be resourceful and creative, highly organized and attentive, adaptable. You also need to be committed and professional when managing clients. So this position has the shortest application process, doesn't require a lot. So to apply, you click on apply now and then you will land on this page. So you're gonna type in your name. So it has to be your name and your surname, and then contact address. It's gonna be your email address, and under position there's a drop down. So you are going to choose the position you're applying for. So currently there's just 2 positions. So you are gonna choose the customer success agent position, and then right where it says a CV URL, you are going to go to LinkedIn and copy your profile URL and then paste it here. So up next is how did you hear about them? So you can write Google, you can write from a friend, etc. And then now they're excited to learn about you. So you are going to introduce yourself. You tell them why you feel you'll be an asset to the Hackerson team. So you're just going to motivate yourself, and you are going to sell yourself on this box. You just need to sell yourself. Once you're done with that, you will submit the application. So we've reached the end of the video, and thank you so much for staying tuned up to this far. And if this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next person. So guys, please help this channel grow by sharing these videos to different people, different platform. And also, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Again guys, one more last thing, we are now monetized. We've been monetized for like a month now. Please do not skip the ads. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. It's a bye.